If you're a technical startup founder getting started with direct sales, you're in the right place. What brought you here? Could be the ads that I've been running. Could be my social media content, or it could be a referral from a friend. Whatever it was, it has something to do with these sales challenges. You're trying hard, but your outreach just isn't getting replies. Sales cycles are taking too long, and when you get ghosted, it feels like you're not in control of your deals. Or you're doing a great job building the product, technical stakeholders love you, but the economic buyer just doesn't seem to get the value of your offering, so they're holding back the budget. Either way, you're not making sales and it's draining. Not just emotionally, but you're watching as your runway is getting shorter and shorter. So let's fix that. I'm Victor Hatfaluti, a B2B sales consultant with over 10 years of experience managing the full sales cycle. Together, we'll land your first customers, close deals predictably, and when the time comes, I'll help you transition out of founder-led sales. But hold on, you might tell me you've worked with external sales trainers in the past. You've been burned before. You don't need some guru giving you broad and generic sales advice that isn't relevant to your stage. You don't need to be told what to do. You want someone to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to sell. Make it so simple that even someone with zero sales experience can apply the advice instantly. And that's exactly how we work. Most founders we work with start off with our monthly mentorship program to get quick wins. When they see what we can do for them, they ask us to take even more work off their shoulders so building a startup feels manageable for once. Work like setting up their minimum viable sales stack or building end-to-end outbound campaigns for them so all they have to do is hit send. We're not an agency. We don't generate leads for you. Instead, we put you in a position where you can generate your own leads and at one point continue scaling revenue without our help. Mentorship, frameworks, campaigns, content, all the things you need to create and close pipeline without making your own mistakes first. And I'm not asking you to take our word for it. See what other founders and CEOs have had to say who've trusted us since we launched. So what do you say? Book a free call and find out if this program is the right fit for you. Worst case, you'll leave with one actionable tip you can apply instantly. Can't wait to meet you.